What if 30 days could put 10K back in your pocket? What if your team could be AI ready before your competitors even notice? Most op leaders will scroll past this. The smart ones, they're going to lean in. The Ops Leaders ROI Challenge starts January 27th. Here's exactly how you will win. Ever notice how the best leaders get stuck too? Talent walking out the door. Supply chain looks like spaghetti. And AI feels like a buzzword until it eats your lunch. You're firefighting, managing conflict, wondering, is there a better way to lead? And here's the truth. Most op leaders are busy but not effective. The challenge flips the script on that. Hi, I'm Miles Threat. Thank you for joining me for Legacy Leaders Lounge today. I help operations, manufacturing, and supply chain leaders build adaptive, high-performing teams that thrive in the chaos. Do me a favor, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Let's jump back in to the day-to-day breakdown of the challenge. Let's talk results, not theory. 4 weeks, 4 live 90-minute workshops. One outcome, 10K in real savings, a future-proof team, and a plan you will actually use. Week 1, that's the awareness baseline and quick wins. You'll take the ADAPT assessment, find out where all the money's leaking, and the first 5K in savings unlocked. No fluff, no BS, just clarity. Week 2, decisive practical AI and automation for ops. Get your team AI ready without fear. Hands-on tools, no more someday. What's one AI task you wish you could automate right now? Week 3, adjust to agility, team engagement, and upskilling. Build a team that thrives on change. Engagement isn't a buzzword, it's your edge. How would your day change if your team owned every challenge? Week 4, performance and trust-based ROI calculation and that real action plan. Leave with a personalized step-by-step plan. 10K in savings validated by us both. Ready for a plan you'll actually execute on? Now let's get specific. Here's what you'll walk away with. 4 high-impact workshops. Real ops challenge, real solutions. A custom 10K savings action plan. Private peer community, no more going it alone. Weekly assignments, direct feedback, and accountability. Bonus AI tool starter pack created for ops, zero overwhelm. 1 fast fix, 15-minute call, just you and me solving your biggest roadblock. Risk-free guarantee. Don't find 10K in savings. I coach you one-on-one for a month free. Ask yourself, what's the cost of waiting another quarter to fix these problems? Don't take my word for it. Here's what real leaders say. A materials manager in manufacturing operations said, we went from conflict and confusion to real communication. Now I lead my people how they're wired, and results followed. A director of employee engagement had to say, onboarding 400 plus new team members, build a training organization from scratch, won our first Brandon Hall Gold Award. Miles doesn't just teach, he transforms. And a training manager in manufacturing said, leadership, culture, growth, Miles made it all stick. He inspires, motivates, and leads by example. And these aren't outliers. This is what happens when you adapt. What shift would your team see if you stopped managing and started leading? So here's the deal. The challenge starts January 27th. Only 15 spots, and spots are moving fast. You get 4 live workshops, a custom 10K savings plan, private community, AI tools, fast fix call, and a risk-free guarantee. If you're ready to find 10K plus in savings, future-proof your team, and build a plan that sticks, this is for you. If not, no worries. But if you're in, the link is in the description below. How will you feel if you miss this window and your competitor doesn't? Let's keep it real. What's your number one challenge right now? Talent, supply chain chaos, or AI overwhelm? Drop it in the comment below. I'll break down solutions in my next episode. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon, and don't miss the launch. Ready to transform? The link is in the description below. You know what to do. I'm Miles Threat. Thank you for joining me for Legacy Leaders Lounge. I'll see you inside the challenge.